Let me tell you a small story. This is about Ravi. So Ravi just finished his graduation. Okay, so this is our character. Ravi just finished his graduation. He keeps hearing one sentence everywhere. Business analyst jobs are booming. So Ravi thinks, okay, let me become one. Okay, so this is his idea. So Ravi's desire is very simple. He doesn't want a fancy title. He doesn't want to sound smart, but he just want one thing. What is that? I want a stable IT job where people actually respect what I do. Okay, that's it. That's the only goal of Ravi. So Ravi starts researching on the internet as usual. Okay, as everyone. So the problem, let's understand the problem. What he finds confusing. So everywhere he looks, people are talking about documents, frameworks, tools, and big words. So Ravi memorizes them, but deep inside he has no one scary thought. What is that scary thought is? If someone gives me a real project tomorrow, what exactly I will do, right? So that is his real problem. Everyone might have the same problem, all the pressures, right? So not lack of knowledge, this one. This is lack of clarity. Okay, so this is lack of clarity. So then comes the real opponent. Okay, it's not the interviewer. So you're thinking interviewer is going to ask about the real project. Yes, but it's not the interviewer. It's not the job market. It's the noise. Too many opinions, too much theory, too many people explaining what is a BA is, but no one is showing how BA actually works. Is it right? Right? So no one is showing actually how BA actually works. So Ravi feels stuck. So Ravi making a plan. One day, Ravi meets a senior friend. He asks just one question. Forget theory. Tell me about what you do in a real project. Very simple, straightforward question, right? The friend smiles and says, I don't start with documents. I start with understanding. The sentence changed everything. So the friend explains, in every project, my job is to make sure the business people and technical people are talking the same thing. Very important. Same thing. So Ravi finally has a plan, not a syllabus, a way of thinking. Okay. So now Ravi imagines a real project, an online application. Business says, we want it simple. Developer says, tell us exactly what to build. So Ravi stand in middle. Okay, so this is business and this is developers. Here in middle, Ravi. Okay, so he starts asking questions. Who will use this? What problem are we solving? What what can go wrong? How you will know it worked, right? So this is acceptance criteria, right? As a user, I want this so that. So these are edge cases, acceptance criteria. So at first, it feels uncomfortable, but slowly things become clear. Confusion reduces, meetings improve, people start nodding. That's the battle. Now, not with people, but with unclear thinking. So then Ravi realizes something powerful. This job is not about knowing everything. This is about making things understandable. Okay, so this is the job responsibility. He understands that talking is a skill, listening is a skill, asking the right question is the superpower. And suddenly the job doesn't feel scary anymore for Ravi. So today Ravi explains his work very simply. He says, I help team understand what they are building and why they are building it. No big words, no heavy theory, right? Very clear. Again, I'll repeat. I help teams understand what they are building and why they are building it. Just clarity and That's when Ravi stopped chasing frameworks and start building confidence. Okay, so this is applicable to for you also. If this story felt familiar, you are probably standing where Ravi once stood. So, and in the next video, I'll show you how Ravi approaches day one of a new project without panic, without confusion. So this journey is about doing the work, not memorizing the manual. Thank you, everyone.